Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn off read receipts on Messenger. Firstly, go to Messenger. Once opened, tap on the three lines on the top left corner. This opens a bar. Here, tap on the setting icon shown on the top right corner of the bar. Then, tap on Privacy and Safety. Scroll down and tap on Read Receipts. You may simply tap on the button next to Show Read Receipts. This will simply turn off read receipts. Once you disable read receipts, your friends will no longer be able to see if you have read their messages, and you will no longer be able to see if they have read your messages. You can turn read receipts back on anytime you want. This is how you can turn off read receipts on Messenger. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thank you.